Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. Today we are looking at how to use Nozbe properly. This tool is built for teams, for your shared work, and for people who need clarity across projects, just not a personal to do. Let's walk through it step by step. This is Nozbe's homepage. For those who don't have it, the link is down in the description below. Nozbe is designed with teams in mind. Everything starts with a shared project. Tasks aren't just personal, they belong to the work that multiple people can care about. That's the core idea. So, the first thing is to do is create a project. This represents real work. It could be a client's, a team goal, or an internal process. Projects give tasks a clear hope. So what you're going to do is I want you to go here where it says active projects, and I just want you just to add project. So right now I need you to fill in the name of the project. For me it's going to be vibes tasks. Then I'm going to create automatically. As you can see now, we have created our project right here. Now what's left for us now to do is add tasks inside the project. Each task is clear, action based, and easy to understand. Good tasks make teamwork smoother. So we are just gonna write five five tasks or less, just to keep it clean, professional, and easy to understand. Once you have done that, you just click this part here. Now you need to add date. It's going to be this is for today. And if you need a reminder, I need a reminder from an hour time from now. If you need a tag, if you want to put it on the favorites right here so that it could be part of you the so you can part of, no, let's not make it yet part of your priority. As you can see, you have just given a task right here, read email, you set the date, you set the time, and just like that. And at the bottom here, you can upload a comment or a file that's supporting the work so that the team could actually receive it quite well. Then you just do that. Then we're going to add some couple of more. Right here, you just setting the time automatically so that you get that scheduled properly like this. So right away, you have added 5 tasks already into your project. Project is where your tasks live. Project is a place where each and every one of your tasks should stay so that automatically it's in order and it's clean. And since we have kept only 5 tasks, you can see how strategic and clean it is to do. Here's where Nozbe really shines. Tasks can be assigned to teams. Everyone knows who owns it. No guessing, no follow up messages. Ownership stays clear. So, what you have left now is to do is once the time hits for you, because you already set reminders when are you gonna do this task. You're gonna do it all today, and as you can see, you have scheduled your times properly and knowing that your productivity lies up here. Your times are very important when you are scheduling the todays because the moment the time hits, you act upon what you're supposed to do right now. So once you are done, you can go, before you are done, you can even go to the calendar. If you go to the calendar feature actually helps you very properly because it shows you a wide range of variety tasks that you have to do in the upcoming days and tasks that you have to do today. As you can see today, these are the tasks that we have to do. And in tomorrow, Thursday, you can even look up ahead what you're going to do, or even much better, you can even add your tasks right here, just like this. You can just add it on the particular day. If you want to add it on tomorrow, you can add tasks just here on Friday and just schedule out your tasks like this. Automatically, if you go to Friday, you will see that do videos on Friday. So this allows you to stay ahead of your execution, knowing what tasks are you doing tomorrow and staying ahead. And if you go to your incoming box, it tells you that these are the incoming tasks that are due today, emphasizing you that these are the tasks you have today and you have to accomplish them. For context, this is how we do daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured fast, focused, starts with one click. Execution stays form and center. If you don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you click, it will take you to this home page. Once you've done that, you'll say get it for free, and automatically it will take you here. You fill in your name, email, password, and then you create an account and enjoy your productivity brought to life. This is LemTask's dashboard. As you can see, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. I'm not going to explain all the features, but most of the features circulate around productivity and helping you execute and showing you how far you have come and how far you are doing right now with your consistent tasks achieving. It helps you a lot to keep motivated. As you can see, 50% build up momentum. I have been completing my task really well, and it shows me a calendar whereby I've been doing great. And yes, case Saturday and Sunday I wasn't productive, but you can see throughout the whole week I was productive. Even today, I'm still am. And on a weekly task, 26 tasks were completed, and you can see the productivity heat map shows you which days you were hot on and at what times you were actually active so much on. So then, without further ado, I want us to go to Braindom. This is where you can turn tasks in multiple different ways. For this one, I really love to show you guys the voice feature. I use it the most and scheduling my task. It's fast, reliable, and it really saves me the hassle of literally typing all day long. Working in today by just giving a few instructions. I extract it. Already it's giving me the date, working in. I just have to add my time. I just have to add my time, choose a priority, and I just add my task like that. I'm just going to do a second one, show you guys again. Sending out invoices today. Sending out invoices today. Just like that. Extract. I just add my time when I'm going to start attacking it. And I add, as you can see, the suggestion tells me this is related to finance. And I add my task like that using the voice feature at LemTask. Then I go to below of just the dashboard where it's written today. This is where all my tasks that I've scheduled usually stays. So using the voice feature, you can see those are the two tasks that I have scheduled. And as you can see, sending out invoices, working in, it's already set and scheduled for me. What's left for me right now, when the time hits for me to start my task, I quickly go here to the focus timer in the tracker section, and I once I am attending the task, I just scroll down and press focus on task. And then once the timer hits, I'm starting also with this time, focusing on my task at hand. 25 minutes each time. If the 25 minutes run out, I'll do another 25 minutes. If I'm there to do a break between long or short, I can also hold it down so that the time I can pause and come back. Now, this helps me to focus on the task at hand, ensuring that I execute my task like a professional. Then I go back to my 2 days after I completed my task, and I just give it a tick, symbolizing that it's complete, and I get points for doing that productive action. And I just come tick it like that. Nozbe works best with teamwork matters. When tasks need owners and project needs structure, used this way, it keeps teams aligned and moving. This key is simple: clear projects, clear tasks, clear ownership.